Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Agix token. It's been quite some time since we covered Agix, which has absolutely been killing it. It has hit an all-time high recently. So, it was worthwhile, giving you guys an update because I have been receiving some requests to give some price analysis on Agix. Guys, I try my absolute best to, give what people want. But, I wish I had a lot of time to actually cover everything, but I try my best. So if we're looking at Agix on the daily time frame, it's up 13.9%, and we're seeing AI projects absolutely killing it lately, especially now that we're seeing some of the altcoins absolutely exploding. AI projects have really taken advantage of this overall momentum, and we've seen Fetch as well as Agix absolutely going insane. If you're looking at Agix, to be specific, if you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, guys, it's up a staggering 65.4%, which is a massive move. And of course, on the monthly time frame, it's up a staggering 212%. So definitely the momentum is on the side of these coins, as you can see, especially these AI coins. So let's take a closer look at Agix, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price right now as of February the 25th, you can see one Agix does cost about 79.3 cents, so almost 80 cents, very close towards its all-time highs. And of course, it's up 13.6% in pretty much all three comparatives: Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum comparative. Now, if we're looking at its market cap, guys, you can literally see, as we're recording this update, the market cap is sitting at $1 billion. As we know, the $1 billion mark is a psychological mark, and you can see this for yourself. We're actually sitting there, which is huge. Agix has never hit that milestone. So of course, give yourself a pat on the back, especially to the people that were picking up Agix throughout the bear market. I'm sure these are the people that are actually smiling right now, not the people that are actually getting in now. And of course, the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 401 million, which is not bad at all. But yeah, let's take a further look. But as I said, before I do begin, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I'm going to start by taking a look at the price charts for Agix, give you guys my personal take on it and what I could be expecting. Of course, everyone is talking about when $1, because as we know, $1 is a psychological price point that everyone thinks about in the crypto space, whether it's crypto, whether it's stock market. It's just such a unique number that everyone loves talking when $1, and I'm sure everyone knows that statement everyone makes in the crypto space, when $1. So I'm going to take you guys back down memory lane to see really what's happening with Agix, what it has done, and what has recently happened, and of course what we could be expecting. So of course you can see this for yourself from our previous fib levels. You can see now we are actually out of the 23.6 as we have broken out of all-time high, which was literally just 2 to 3 days back. But let me take you guys down memory lane. So of course, pretty much you could arguably say, the peak of the bull market for it, last cycle was on September 7th of 2021, which was at 66.8 cents. And then of course, we know the entire market started going into a bear market, and we did see Agix fall down really sharply. And again, not a real surprise. You can see this for yourself. Agix dropped 95%. You cannot make this up. It had a correction of 95%, and this right here was the sweet spot to be accumulating Agix, which pretty much lasted. Let's actually take a look at it. So this below the 13.9 cents, we did see the price fall down to 3.2 cents, which absolutely is insane. This could be the 100x, performer. Now that I'm thinking about it, that I cannot wrap my head around what I'm currently looking at. Like, I kid you not, like I'm literally looking at the charts right now after such a long time. And of course, the reason as to why we're covering this is because the amount of requests right now are absolutely insane. But look right here, guys. We are talking about April 2022. So April 2022 all the way till the January 2023. So you had basically, I could say 9 months to accumulate below, of course, a 13.7 cents resistance, because once it got into the 13.8 cents resistance above that, this is where fireworks begun. And, this move that I'm looking at right here, which one I'm, kind of pointing my cursor around, this move took everyone off guard as well as myself. I did make some updates around that as well. But you look at the price here, guys. We're looking at some insanely cheap AGIX. And of course, if you were accumulating around this range, around the 3.7 cents, you saw AGIX go up 17xer. And then, it hit double top. Literally, February 9th, 2023, which was last year, we're pretty much in a bear market at that time, coming out of the biggest, one of the biggest frauds in the crypto space, which was Terra Luna Classic. But you can see this for yourself. We had a double top, you can see. And then, of course, things, bearish news coming out, SEC news, all that stuff, obviously impacted the entire market. And of course, AGIX is no exception. It made its way back down to the 78.6 Fibonacci support line. But this time around, what's worthwhile noting is it never managed to get back to its actual all-time lows, which were, obviously November of, 2022, as I've mentioned to you guys. So, it bounced back. And then, of course, as you can see, quarter four, as we know, everything was popping. We did see AGIX reacting to that, getting into the 0.50 for the first time, pretty much you could say, in almost over a year. And that was a 119% move, retraced down to the 25.8 cent support line, and boom, off we go. Literally, this move pretty much, you could say, happened in the month of February. And if you want to put this into perspective, let's go on February the 1st. So let's say you accumulated AGIX in your portfolio. Some people go off what the project is doing. Some people like AI projects. Some people like layer ones, layer twos. So some people just what's the word that I'm looking for? Diversify, their portfolio this way. So if you were one of the people that were actually, adding AGIX this month, you saw AGIX run up 208%, taking it up towards a new all-time high. So now what we're going to officially do is take the Fibonacci retracement levels and push them towards a new high. So now if we're looking at it in terms of its performance after it broke into an all-time high, AGIX went up an additional 30%, which is really nice to see. So what you're looking at now is the price is still showing a lot of strength. It's in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and I think the overall momentum that we have for the entire space, Bitcoin dominance pulling down, a lot of altcoins exploding, AI projects exploding, this could to make its way up to $1. I think that psychological point that everyone is rooting for is, I think, really, really obtainable this bull cycle. I'm not even this bull cycle, just in the near future, and that's only a move of another 27.6%, and we're very close towards price discovery. As you guys know, in price discovery, we tend to see prices go absolutely insane. There's no resistances, there's no support, so it goes up depending on the overall buying pressure. In terms of demand, we're definitely seeing demand right now for AGIX, and if you deep dive into AGIX and see what it's doing, it's quite unique. And one thing I want you guys to kind of keep in mind is, especially if you are one of the very few people that were picking up AGIX around the 3.9 cents, you're of course up 27x, and that, I'm sorry, not 27x, like 21x. That is a huge gain. So locking in profit sometimes does not hurt. But let me know down below what you guys think, and also let me know, why do you think AGIX is going as crazy as we are seeing it right now? Of course, we saw this move that shocked us back in last year around the early February, so literally a year ago. But what exactly is causing this? Is this manipulation, or is there people actually finding interest towards AI projects? And of course, AGIX is one of the hot ones that people are keeping an eye on. Let me know in the comments down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.